Guys, this laptop was problem the RAM and I fixed it, but now you can see it is working in the external display, not working here. So what I do, I remove this external display. You can see device is working, and now I will install is UEFI Windows. This is legacy Windows on this system, so I will install UEFI Windows and check it is working perfectly or not working. I have a Windows UEFI boot Windows. I have to download Windows Media Creator and I put it the USB and power off. You can see still display is working but no light. So guys, press the power button, press F2 for the BIOS setup. Guys, you see this laptop display working now, but after loading Windows it's not working the display. So I just show you. Now it's loading. After see now loading, but after is coming black screen. It's not showing the display. So this problem I have to install UEFI Windows. So see now no light, no screen, nothing. But when you plug the external display, it's working. So I plug external display. And boot request, you can see before was the legacy boot. Now I press the UEFI boot and apply and save change settings, user, OK, and exit. Press the F12 and here is the USB storage device. Enter. Now you can see 64. Enter, and it is loading now. See guys, it's loading Windows. See before is loading, after not working, but now it's working. And next is Arabic Windows install and Windows Professional. Next, down. So here is the two partition. Delete the first partition of Windows, and now I create the new partition. Okay. Okay guys, it's done. Make the partition. Now next, after I install Windows, I will show you. So guys, stay with me. This SSD hard disk is very speed. Installing is 2 minutes 55% complete. Okay guys, see it's installing now Windows. Copy files is done. Now it is installing very speed. And now restart, and again I press F12. Now I will boot from internal hard disk. You can see, and it's working. And guys, now see finally it's open. Now I open this option. It's Arabic. Type the username. Next, without password. Okay. See guys, finally this laptop is open and working in Windows. And see,